Hey y'all, so we in New York with it. Okay, we is in New York. Period. I didn't get to really record or anything coming here because it was so crazy with the snow and stuff. And yeah, it was just a lot going on, so I didn't get to record. But if you guys are new here, hey, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. We are just going to be doing maybe like a 48-hour vlog in New York City for my friend's birthday. Right now I'm the first one here because we came separately. They drove, I took the train because I live closer, so I'm waiting for them to come. Actually, they should be here soon. Hold on, I'm my phone. I need to get in the shower, so these bitches need to hurry up because I need a nice shower. New York too big for me. I don't think I could live here just to visit. Way too big, and everything is so small. Like, I did a tour, which I'm gonna show you guys again. I'm just in the bathroom right now. I did a tour of like the hotel, of the room, and it's so tiny. Like, look how close the bed is to the wall, y'all. And it is 5 of us total. We sharing the bed, but I'm like, dang, we ain't gonna have no motherfucking space up in here. Wait till they get up in here. They gonna right now to get here. Ooh, they 5 minutes away. My bitch is 5 minutes away. I'm trying to get in the shower, but they're 5 minutes, so there's no point of getting in the shower yet when they're about to be here. So I just wanted to come and check with you guys and let you guys know what's going on for this vlog. Don't mind the way I look right now. I did my hair yesterday. I have to do it, and we probably all about to get in the shower and get dressed and stuff. So I will see you guys when these bitches get here, because you know, once I bring the camera, the bitches don't know how to act, so they're going with the camera. So I will see you guys once they get here.
Hold up, my lips ain't on. I hope you ain't recording.
Yeah, it's okay. Won't post that. Start drowning that damn Gatorade.
Hey, y'all, I'm taking y'all shots. That sound like my grandma.
Brown. Yeah.
Oh, that counts.
Yes, it do. It's the party. It's the party.
Yeah. They look weird?
No, I said they look good. I thought you said they
look weird.
I thought you said they look good. Alright, y'all. Here's my outfit. OOTD. At night. Period. It's the party. It's the party. It's the party.
How long we gotta wait? It's not 2 hours.
2 hours?
Huh?
You're lying.
Give us our money back. Period.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Kiki, are you hungry?
He was just
Oh.
That's
Wait, cheese.
Wait, time out.
I want cheese.
You just throwing slices up here. Is it done?
Yeah,
Yeah, mine too.
Yeah, just give it to me.
Make ours a little bit more.
She's so drunk. So
Can you make my crust?
What up, D?
Mine too. We like it extra crispy. The record as much as I can get.
you
Alright,
recording?
you gotta be slurping.
Make sure you add that in your YouTube.
Oh well.
Do that over somebody else.
To show them how good this $1.50.
What's she doing? Slurping and dancing.
This is not what I was going to do.
Kiki.
I think it's good.
Kiki.
Yeah.
Extra crispy.
I think it's good.
Yeah, mine's extra
It's
crispy.
just burnt, that's why.
It's still good burnt.
And mine's good. Oh, really? How much first?
But I have no idea who to connect to with. Look-wise. If you're here, as we get to know each other, I hope you do. I hope that you're able to sort of sway me opinion on
Good morning! Everyone is finally up. Last night we had the time of our lives. We went to a gay bar, it was so fun, and then we went to another bar and they wouldn't let us in. And then we went to another bar and they tried to charge us $5 to take your coat off. And then it was really, really cold outside. So we had to sleep like Mexicans. Oops, sorry. If anybody is Mexican, I'm really sorry. But y'all know how y'all be.
Cut the clip.
Cut that shit. Cut that shit the fuck out.
Talk about if he was Mexican. Like, girl, what?
Cut that shit the fuck out.
We had no cussing. This is YouTube.
Girl, you already said something about you.
We had to put 2 beds together. So if y'all ever have a group of 5 friends,
And
this
I
right
asked
here,
bro.
this works. Just make sure one of your friends don't crank the heat up. That's it. You today. Yeah, look at these whores. 1 whore, 2 whore, 3 whore, 4. So we're gonna get back to y'all. Y'all is too close back up.
Delusion.
Wasn't it?
No, but shit, look at that part in the video.
Oh.
Oh, Alana's taking the camera. To do a spin around? Alana, how much would you pay for this? I want one. Well, call him. I'm gonna spin around, y'all.
Oh, I'm sorry. It was like 600.
And I'm not buying this. It's so cold.
I can slow it down.
It was.
This camera is so good. This is New York, home of the dirt necks.
Girl.
We're gonna go find a train.
Now, where is the train? This is what
Everybody get in the vlog. This is the thumbnail.
PD, tell them what you got on.
Outfit of the day, chat, baby. You know what's going on.
Shoes from.
Horses.
These are
Horses.
220. Okay.
This way.
Purse.
Shop chat, baby.
Outfit of the day, Nas.
PacSun, Rockstar Original, Forces.
Period. Madi.
A little something I'ma get.
It's cold outside. We outside in New York City with it. But hey y'all, we're about to go to Times Square. Well, we have to find a train first because we don't know where it is. So we're getting ready to find that. It's 10:43 in the morning. Girl, nobody gonna get me. But yeah. Ugh, it's kind of cold. It's freezing out here. Guys, we are at Hard Rock Cafe right now. I'm about to get something. I think I'm gonna get some wings. That's what I want. I'm very hungry and I'm very thirsty. My mouth is super dry. I'm ready to sleep. Is this pudding? No. Where the fuck is pudding? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I'm right here. I'm literally right here. Okay, guys. So we are. What is that place even called? With the damn steps.
Raising. Oh, we're in Central Park, dude.
Okay. We're going to Central Park now. It is fucking cold outside.
So that we can take pictures and post on Chat Baby.
Yes, and do TikToks or whatever. Bye. It's so nice out here. It's so big. I just would never live here though. Dang, it was all close. Ooh, it's burning. Nothing trying to recruit me. Okay. Alicia. Wait.
Not even a kiki.
They never got money for a period.
They never had mine. Okay, guys, now we finna head to
That way.
Forever 21. It's cold as dirt. I feel like he's somebody's rich uncle. Fuck you. Alasia is cold.
It's fuck.
Alea is cold.
We are in Forever 21 right now. We're going down. We've seen like 2 floors already, so we're going down another floor. They have like 5 floors in this Forever 21. It's so big. But yeah, they have a lot of options in this Forever 21. Like compared to like Harrisburg and Philly one, they don't got nothing. Nothing on this Forever 21 booth. So this one's top tier. Tired of walking. So let's see what's down here. They have a sale. Probably a little sale. Oh, that is cute. So yeah, I will see you guys probably when we go to the next store or we leave out of Forever 21. So we're just looking right now. I don't think anyone is buying anything. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look at the pants. Marae. Hey vlog, say hey to Marae. Hi. What is she doing? See, tell her she should be here. Oh, at least you got white stuff. But you guys, when we get to the next store, because I don't want my camera to die and I don't have my charger with me. I have literally like this much battery. So I'll see you guys. Alright y'all, we're at the American Dream Mall right now. It's kind of loud in here and it's big and it's a lot of people. So I'm trying to record as much as I can. But
You can ride them around the store.
what? But yeah, so many people in here, so I'll record off my phone. Oh, those.
How much are they? 10. And would you park them anywhere?
Hey guys, so in this part of the video, I'm just in American Dream Mall and I'm just showing you guys, giving you guys an overview of the mall. It was so big and nice. That was my first time ever going there. This is me just showing you guys the Angry Birds mini golf section, which was very cute. I wish we would have went and played, but my friends didn't like mini golf, so we did something else. Here is the escape room that they have. They have so many different things there for you to do. You can bring your kids here, especially here. Like, this was just amazing. They have an indoor water park, Nickelodeon University. It's just a lot to do for kids and even bigger kids too. Like, I recommend it 10 out of 10. This is like one of my favorite, Oreo Cafe. I love Oreos. They're my favorite cookies. And it's just amazing how they have shirts and a whole bunch of merchandise for this store. It was just crazy, and I was obsessed with it. I wound up not getting anything, but I just love the aesthetics of it. I love how everything's Oreo shaped. Even the seats were Oreo shaped. They have Oreo pillows, they had slippers, and everything. Like, I give that a 10 out of 10 too. And this is just me, like, this shoe section that I seen. I thought it was very, very cute and cool. You could put like gibbets on the shoe, I'm guessing, because they're right there. I never seen anything like that, but it's amazing. And here's like a little slipper overview also.
Oz is right here.
Oh shit, I'm there.
I thought he went over there too. Y'all, we are in a mirror maze right now.
I feel like I'm going in circles.
Yeah, it does feel like I'm going in circles. Who's screaming?
So we decorated the hotel for my friend Alasia while she was out of the hotel. It was just something very quick, but we just wanted to make her feel special on her birthday. And the decorations were so cute. Me and my two friends decorated all this while she was gone. She was very happy about it, and she loved it when she came in. So make sure y'all book us for your birthday planning. And happy birthday, Alasia. We love you so much.
Damn, Dave, this your wild.